How to use trust and will digital estate planning properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people think creating a digital estate plan with trust and will is as simple as clicking through a few forms, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that can result in incomplete protection or disputes among heirs. The first mistake is not listing all assets. Your estate plan only covers what you include. Beginners who forget bank accounts, real estate, or digital assets risk leaving valuable property outside the plan. Another common error is failing to name a reliable executor or trustee. This person manages your estate or trust after you pass away. Beginners who select untrustworthy or unprepared individuals may create conflicts or mismanagement. Many users also overlook guardianship designations. If you have minor children, explicitly naming guardians is crucial. Beginners who skip this step risk court intervention or family disputes. Failing to update the plan over time is another pitfall. Life changes like marriage, divorce, or new children require revisions. Beginners who neglect updates may have outdated instructions, causing confusion or unintended distributions. Finally, some users ignore state-specific rules. Trust and will templates may need notarization or witnesses depending on your jurisdiction. Beginners who skip these steps risk having an invalid estate plan. To use trust and will digital estate planning properly, list all assets, name capable executors and guardians, update regularly, and comply with state rules. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and your digital estate plan will protect your assets and provide peace of mind for your loved ones.